E assim atende que tem mais de 10.000 turistas no centro de cidade Aue, nós pensamos automaticamente que o comércio de Aruba está aqui bom dia. Pero nós me para quieto na necessidade de turistas que estão visitando nossa isla também. Nós vamos conversar com a Aue para saber se em verdade centro assim congestionado está não agrado. Centro de Cidade Aue está sumamente ocupado e lleno de turistas. Tem vários visitantes que têm opinião que essa aqui nós trabalhamos.
I think it's great. It's wonderful for the island, and I've been coming to the island for over 20 years, and I love it. I love to see this many people downtown, because downtown's been kind of dead the past couple of years. So when the cruise ships are in, I think it's wonderful. Again, the economy, I think it'll boost the economy. I hope they spend money. Sometimes the merchants that I do know say the cruise people just kind of look and don't spend, but I'm hoping that they'll open their wallets a little bit more and help the economy down here.
I like Aruba for shopping because you're not being hassled by people.
Yeah.
The other islands, they're in your face, where this is very relaxing. And we've done a taxi ride around the island, and it is tremendous.
Well, it's very good for the merchants. You know, any tourists that come, the ships that come in, it's good for business. Aruba's a fabulous island. I love it here. This is my 10th year in a row. You know, it's vibrant downtown when the cruise ships are in, and there's a lot of people walking around. And we didn't have trouble finding a parking spot, so that was very good for us. We just discussed this, and we kind of like the fact when it's busy and you go into a shop, you have the opportunity to look and browse around, so the salespeople aren't necessarily right on you the minute you walk in the door. So that's kind of nice for the return visitors.
Pero e congestión no acá na agrado di tour.
As an individual, I don't like the crowds, and so when you're traveling, it's always better to have one cruise ship in than 5. That's how it affects the economy here, or I guess it's good for the people who work here. More people, more shopping, somebody's going to spend. I imagine it's going to suit them just fine. As a cruise ship tourist of the ABC Islands, I prefer Bonaire because it's much quieter. But I understand that I'm an individual and it might be different for different people. They might like the crowds, me, not so much.
Por lo menos el comerciante de vecindario sí goza de día ocupa de Aue.
Cruise ships are always been good for our business because the more the customers come in, the more they buy. And 5 is good. Actually, the rush is good in the town. We like, there is something happening in the town. It's always fine. More ships, the better it is.
Hopi Viaja tiene percepción que o turista de barco no te gasta, pero según el comerciante aquí, esa es leo de verdad.
Yeah, they do spend. All of them, actually. There is no such cruise ship which doesn't spend. More or less, sometimes it's slower, sometimes it's good, but they always spend. And a cruise ship is always better than no cruise ship in the town, because hotel customers are not coming to the town much now, since we have a lot of stores on the hotel side. So we are totally depending on the cruise ship business.
El comerciante está de opinión que si cada día visitante na aquí gasta por lo menos $10 na algo de comer o bebe, que él lo contribuye grandemente na nossa economia. Nós vamos mire na $10 vezes mais que 10.000 turistas.